Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. And today I bring an extraordinary and unique smartphone for you. It is from the brand called Doogee. It's the Doogee S98Pro. We have checked and tested the last generation, the basic one, the S98, but from the official website and official social channels, I think this one is much better than the normal one, and especially for the unique design. From the official website, we know it's a alien-inspired smartphone, and it has the most powerful thermal technology on this device. So today we bring here, and as we check what's inside its box, and we will have a very quick and also very simple unboxing video of it. So next, let's unbox it. Okay, so here let's unbox it. Okay, so after we unbox the box, we find a smartphone and the charger and the ejector to open the smartphone and put your SIM card into it. Also the cable. So here is the big charger. And, okay, is a 33-watt fast charging this time to provide. You can see here is the fast charger, and here is the white is the ejector to use this to eject the SIM card slot, and then you can put your SIM card into the smartphone because it's a larger device, so you not so easy to open it. So here is the cable. Okay, it's a Type C to Type C cable this time to provide. Yes, this is the first time I saw this brand, the Doogee, they use the Type C to Type C cable. So here, let's put stuff inside and check. Also, okay, this is the smartphone. Let's put it aside first and check other stuff. Okay. Oh, whoa! Get a case. Case for the smartphone. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is for the element from the alien they referred on the website. So this is the case. Put it aside as well, and under the case we saw lots of other stuff. This is the anti-explosion film. I think it is screen protect accessories. So this is for the screen. Okay, a screen protector, user manual. Okay, they provide a special thermal imaging user manual. So also do colorful instructions for the thermal imaging. So I think it's very important, and it's the unique, very unique features of this device. Also the limited warranty card. So okay, let's put okay, so this is all stuff inside the box. So put them aside and check the smartphone. Okay, so here is the smartphone, and the case. Yes, so I will talk on this smartphone on several aspects: appearance, the processor, this display, battery, charging, camera. The first is about the appearance. The first time I saw they say they will have a unique design smartphone. I don't have too much too much expectations on it, because you know, that they have the S98, but now this is the Pro version. Okay, so I think the appearance maybe also still the same, but the first time I saw the pictures released, I was just a feel shocked, because now they actually provide a very unique and very special device on this model. Is totally different compared to other large models, other normal phones. So first, they redesigned this era compared to the basic edition. Here they have two LED arrows, and here they have the thermal camera, not the dual screen, and a lot of circles, and the camera is sync into this area. And also with this case, you know, it's the alien inspired case, so they also provide a alien element on this smartphone device. So let's put them together and we can check the alien design phone. Yes, so here, after we attach them together, it looks more like the alien device. It's the alien phone. And from the official website, we know the design is heavily influenced by the fictitious visitors from the outer space. Actually, here the camera bomb serves as the alien's head. Yeah, head. And here the two cameras are the eyes of the aliens, and the lines here 1, 2, 3, 4 around on the case around out the alien assembles like the alien. Also like the alien, the S98Pro camera imagery features allow you to see creatures and the object by the heat signature, even in the pitch darkness. So you mean through this we can see the heat signatures of an object is totally similar to the aliens. Yes, so this is very interesting. I remember they also released the S98 Pro last year. It's also like the Iron Man design smartphone. So this brand is really unique from my point of view. And also after we put the case together, and we say they look so united. I mean, also here, like also the color here with the mental frame, the same color, looks same. And also the other parts, we can check the corners. They do some special designs here to protect the smartphone even it drop from the high distance. It can protect the smartphone very well. So this is about the design of this model. And here, the things I think I really need to mention is the camera one. This time they have a 3-in-1 camera, the triple rear camera, and one single front camera. For the rear treat camera, this one is the 20 megapixel night vision, and this one is the Sony main camera is 28 megapixel, and also here in the middle of the camera zone is the next generation thermal imaging camera. They worked with a brand called Infrared. It's also a very famous company in the night vision industry. So this time they work together, makes the thermal image more advanced than ever. Okay, so this is the camera one, and about the screen. So we can peel this off to check the screen, I think. Yes. Here. Now we check the, okay, peel all the stuff. Peel off all the plastics. Screen protectors. Okay, so now finally we can see the screen without the protectors. So this time they provide a 6.3-inch screen of this model. They provide is a FHD plus display, and also the aspect ratio is 19 to 9, and the peak brightness is 500 nit. Also, this is a Corning. They use the Corning glass. It can protect the smartphone even if it drop from high distance. This is about the screen. Also, next is about the battery. This time they have a 6,000 big battery, and this device is support fast charging. Here is a charger. It supports 33 watts fast charging. Also, it can provide a 15 watt reverse wireless charging as well. So with such a big battery and the fast charging, so I think you there's no need for you to worry about the battery shortage. Normally the 6,000 battery can provide 10 hours gaming, 10 hours videos, or 1 day calling, or half month standby. So it's much better, much bigger than the normal device. You mean for the large device, we will care about something like the IP68 or the big battery. So this is the things we should really care about. Large battery, less power anxiety. So this is the battery one. Next is the processor, and this time let's check the settings. They provide a MediaTek Helio G9896. Yes, it's also a power saving chips from the MediaTek. Okay, here we cannot find the chip information exchange, but it's the Helio G96, and this chip is very capable processor with 8 cores as well, and it's a powerful CPU and hyper engine 2.0 light gaming technology. This one can provide very good multitask gaming and demanding applications as well. So it's very good about the processor. Yes. So the most important thing I think I want to mention is this time the thermal camera thermal cameras they provide. They integrate professional grade infrared solution thermal image sensor. It can bring a much bigger thermal pixels compared to other smartphones. In the market, the Cat, the Blackview, they also have the thermal cameras, but this time Doogee they brings a huge 2.5 times increase in the number of the thermal images, and also it combined with the 25 Hz higher frame rate. It can deliver a more accurate and more high quality images on the market, even in a very dark place. So this is the infrared. Yes, we can check it. Okay, it takes around 2 seconds to open it. So here, when I turn on it, to click the app, you can see it can detect the temperature of my hand, and the quality of the pictures is nice. Yes, can works very well on the smartphone. So yes, so this is a very quick and very simple unboxing video of this large device. It's the most powerful large phone with thermal images, and we check more details later. And I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned, and we have more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for watching. Let's say bye bye.